Got a good thing coming, and it's all I need. Everything I wanted is in front of me. Stuck it up in a time.
We are a creative nation.
We are a creative nation.
In this summit, we are creating space to foster comprehensive and inclusive discussions on developing a bright future for creative economy in the Philippines and to forge the path towards becoming a creative hub in Southeast Asia by 2030. May this day be another fruitful day and discussions and sharing and networking as well.
We are a creative nation. We are a creative nation.
Creative solutions to social, economic, and environmental challenges ensure sustainable growth and development. And our creative industry is at the heart of all of these endeavors.
We are a creative nation. Our creative
It's in
industry
front of
smart.
me. Stuck it up in a time. Sun is shining over me. I got a good thing coming. Just wait and see. It's a good day.
I am glad that this convergence of creatives and policymakers, as well as other figures from the different sectors, synergizing minds and creative energies towards these goals. More power to all. Maraming salamat.